Hello YouTubers, radiation testing here. And as you can see, it's raining right now 20 miles east of East St. Louis. And what I decided to do now is I'm going to use this paper towel right here, and I'm going to wipe my car down with it. So let's see what we can get here. Wipe the windshield, the hood. Alright, there we go, guys. And I'm going to bring it in here to my monitor 4 Geiger counter with my observer software. And unfortunately, I haven't been doing background readings, so I need to first get it hooked up here. Alright, and we'll turn it on. Get our observer software running. There we go. And what I'm going to do here, place this in front of the thin mica window and let it run for maybe an hour or two. That's pretty close. Alright. Now, we pretty much know that we get normally about 15 counts per minute at this desk. I might even bring this over a little bit. Set it right here. Okay. Now, we can zoom in here, and looks like we got 25 counts on the first minute already, but we'll let it run for about an hour, and then we'll remove the paper towel away from the thin mica window and let the observer software perform, I guess, maybe 10 or 15 hours of background readings and see what happens. Now, if there's a lot of radiation on this paper towel, what we should see is a spike at the very beginning of the graph. So there it is, guys. We might even let it run another minute for you so we can see what the second minute's gonna do. .43 counts on the second minute. Looks like it's chirping away pretty good, guys. We just might have some radiation in this rain. Let's see. Let's see what the next minute gives us. Oh yeah, guys, I believe we have ourselves some contamination going on here. Well, with counts like that, we might just let it keep on rolling, huh? Might even back it up here, turn the chirper on. $31. Okay, hold on guys, let me see if I can get on top of this monitor force so we can see the analog readout. It looks hotter than background to me, guys. Okay, let's see what our observer software has been printing out for us. Sorry about the shaky camera, guys. I'm trying to manipulate everything here. Get the mouse and do the camera. Okay. Looks like we had 43 counts on that last minute. And on my YouTube channel, I had one gentleman claim that I was possibly trying to manipulate these results or somehow be dishonest with what I'm finding. And I'm telling you guys, this is what's really going on with it. The observer software and the monitor 4 Geiger counter are working perfectly. And it looks to me like we're averaging about 40 counts a minute, 35 maybe, which is a little over twice as hot as the background. Okay, let me set the time on it so the graphic display maybe 60 minutes. That's what the graph looks like when it's displaying 60 minutes of data. As you can see it's saying 39 counts, 35, 43, and if we go over to the analog readout, it's bumping between 50 and 100 counts a minute. Well, you can see what it's doing. What a tragedy for the people in the northern hemisphere, guys. Tragedy for all people, not just the northern hemisphere, because this stuff's gonna go everywhere, man. And I really can't see what any of the governments can do to stop it now. Alright guys, well, as planned, I'm going to let it run for about an hour. I might even give it a little longer than that. But I can imagine this is what the rain's going to do every time it comes down until they plug the hole over there, entomb them, or do something with them. That Fukushima plant's a mess. And this stuff can stay airborne for... From what I learned about Chernobyl, over a year. So the stuff from the initial blast, from the way I understand it, still hasn't fell all the way. Okay guys, stay tuned.